Hello guys, this is EtronSec again. So today I'm going to present to you a new machine, automatic sliding gate machine, uh, a new one in the market now, very powerful, robust, uh, quite good, CENTURION D5 Smart. Stay tuned after the intro. The machine is very reliable with two backup battery in case of power failure. So that's 24 volt, making it so fast. It can open top speed 36 meters per minute, which is very fast. You can use your phone to modify the settings, very user friendly, and the settings are such a way that you can almost configure the machine the way you want, the best way you want actually. So we'll show you how it works. So after the installation, we will give you two remotes as it comes with the machine. We will as well help you install the app that you use to control the gate. So here is the icon of the app, and when you click on it, after a while it will open a first interface for you. So here you select the operator, your machine, the gate. You click on the image and the serial number, then you connect to the app. So let's wait a bit. Okay, this is the first interface you meet. So in this interface you have 4 buttons which you use to control your gate. So you have the trigger button, which is TRG, the pedestrian, which is PED, the lock, LCK, and then we have keep, which will keep your gate open. So on top of the control buttons, you have other icons that will tell you what is happening with your machine. So there are about 6. We have the battery, which will tell you when the battery is going down, and then the main, which is the power supply, and so we have the RBO, and then the IRBC, which are safety systems. So when it's crossed, it will turn red and let you know that the beam has been crossed or there's something wrong. And then yeah, so beside that we have the health, which is green, the green hearts with the line inside. So anytime there's a problem, that green heart will turn red. So so beside the green button we have the alarm, the icon. We have the alarm icon, which is disabled. So anytime somebody is trying to tamper with your gate, it will turn red and send you notifications. So in this session we are going to talk about the remote and how you can manipulate them in the app. So the app will give you the chance to disable the remote just by clicking on it and selecting disable in the menu. So after you're done, you go back and the machine will save the settings. Then from there the remote is disabled, so they can't use it to open the gate again. And the same way, if you want to reactivate it, you come back to the menu, then select enable again. The machine will save the settings, and that will be all. So one of the cool features of this app is that it can tell you what particular fault you have at the moment. So should you have any problem, you just have to go to the home, then select the health tab at the top side of the screen. Then you will now find what is wrong with your machine. If it's the battery, you will see it will display red, and then the health will go red also. Should it be the how do you call it, the power supply, it will also turn red. You will see it when you go to the home screen. You actually see the icon concerning that problem. The same thing with the control box, the control panel also, if I can put it like that. So it's very useful, this app, to give you a lot of information about your gate operator. So that's basically everything about this Centurion D5 Smart and the app that comes with it. And so I will let you enjoy how it works. So this is one of the machines we've installed somewhere, so you'll see how it works. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, because we are going to be uploading more video concerning this home automation things that will make your life easier. So please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next videos to come, because we are going to be uploading more video concerning the automation and the security systems that we have. And make sure you visit www.EtronSecSolutions.com to send us inquiries and your messages. We'll be glad to respond to you as quick as possible, and we will be looking forward to working with you. So please subscribe. Thank you.